Hi, this is Carole Conlon. I have a very short tip for you today, and it is to avoid open-ended toys and tools when you are dowsing or working with your intuition. The open-ended tools are just that. What happens is you will end up with any type of entity that has the time to drop in and start giving you answers. They usually are either malicious or playful, and they're not the ones that you want to get answers from. The alphabet chart when you're dowsing is a bad idea for the same reason. You do not want this open-ended response at all. When you're dowsing, when you're in a spiritual setting, you've already set up your boundaries, you've got your protections in place, you know the entities, the spirits that you usually work with, and you know that they're at a very high level, and that is where the whole process has to stay in order to stay clean and clear. Otherwise, a lot of times when you're working, you will attract a lot of entities, mostly because they want cleared as well. When you don't have those protections up, when you're working with something open-ended, you're inviting trouble. So be careful, give away that Ouija board, and move on to something a little more structured, a lot more structured. If you enjoyed the tip today, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment or another question. We'll see you in the next video.